$41,949.08, $2,016.35, and $745.43. And this is the amount of money people have made on TikTok's rewards program. And in this video, we'll be showing you how you guys can create videos just like these that have thousands of views. And these types of videos get a lot of views because it's basically a story. And what the nice thing about these videos is that they're very easy to make. First, we're going to go on ChatGPT and then we're going to write the following prompt. Write a mini short story, make it relatable, and make it in first person. Start with imagine, use the different characters to make it interesting. And then we have our story. It's a little bit long, so we're going to ask ChatGPT to make it shorter. And here's how the story looks. And then we're going to just copy and paste it in our video. And if you wanted a part 2 to the story, all you need to do is type part 2 and ChatGPT will write it for you. Now go on Canva and then type TikTok video, and then click on create blank. And then click on videos and type city nightlights. And then you can choose any videos that you like, and then we're going to drag the video to fit the template. And you can either use the same clip, like duplicate the clip to make it over 1 minute long, or you can use different clips as well. It just depends what you want. What I did in the video, I just used different clips until it's 1 minute long. And once you finish from your video, you're going to click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner, then click on download, then download. And now we have our video. Now we're going to go on TikTok and then paste the story that ChatGPT created for us. And then I also wrote a title that said imagine, so it can look more presentable for the video. And I pasted the rest of the story that ChatGPT created for us on TikTok. And then we're going to add our sound. I just kept it to what TikTok recommended, but you can choose any sound that you like. I just kept it at this. And then post. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching!